Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about onion. Number 1. Onions are vegetables. Number 2. Onions belong to the allium family. Number 3. They can be eaten raw or cooked. Number 4. They come in various colors including white, yellow and red. Number 5. Onions are a versatile ingredient used in many cuisines. Number 6. Onions are used in salads, soups and stews. Number 7. Onions are low in calories. Number 8. They are rich in nutrients. Number 9. They are a good source of antioxidants. Number 10. Onions are popular worldwide. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.